Engage students as mathematical thinkers with TCM's Let's Talk Math series. Every teacher knows how challenging it can be to teach students to think mathematically and persevere through tough math problems. Let's Talk Math helps develop students' problem-solving abilities and mathematical thinking by using easy-to-follow routines. This robust supplemental math series offers a research-based approach to instruction developed by nationally recognized educators and researchers Kit Norris and Dr. Hilary Kreisberg.
As I began reflecting on what I was hearing from teachers across the country, I realized there's an opportunity to deepen students' understanding and build collaborative discourse, along with providing them opportunities to work with the mathematical practices and processes.
Available in kindergarten through 5th grade, Let's Talk Math uses structured routines to help students articulate and share their mathematical thinking and listen to their partner's ideas. Through this meaningful series, teachers watch students build their communication skills and become effective collaborators and confident problem solvers.
The foundation of Let's Talk Math is in this premise that we want students to be problem solvers, not problem performers. And in order to do that, they need to work creatively and together in order to make sense of a problem and to persevere.
Task cards, a student task book, teacher support, a colorful mathematical practices and processes poster, and digital resources give students access to challenging tasks that deepen mathematical understanding. Using standards-aligned task cards, students collaborate to solve authentic and rich math tasks, while also strengthening their language and critical thinking skills. The tasks and routines also fit seamlessly into a guided math classroom. Tasks can be used for whole class instruction, small group lessons, and math workshops. The full-color student task book provides opportunities for students to understand and plan, share and discuss their thinking, and then reflect and write about each task. The detailed teacher's guide offers built-in teacher support to facilitate implementation of Let's Talk Math in any learning environment. Each task comes with lesson notes and includes common misconceptions, language support, scaffolding strategies, and extension tasks to support teachers in a successful implementation. A two-sided full-color poster lists the mathematical practices and processes that are the focus of Let's Talk Math in student-friendly language. All of the components are included digitally with the kit, plus extra digital resources that offer greater flexibility, accessibility, and support to enhance instruction. Bring math to life for students by helping them understand and plan, share and discuss, and reflect and write about how they solve complex math problems with their peers. Integrate literacy skills such as speaking, listening, and writing into mathematics instruction seamlessly. To learn more about how Let's Talk Math can support your school or district, contact us today.